Hi, I am so excited. Sarah Kamali from Mendology has developed a device called Standard Touch, and I'm so excited to get it up and look at it. And so what it's for is that when we do massage, the question is, are we using a light technique or a firm technique? I know that I did a YouTube video, and someone looked at the video and said, "Oh my God, Denise, you look like you're really pressing way too hard." And actually the noise is my grandson. He's just down there making a big noise. He's wanting to say hello too. And so no, I wasn't pressing hard. So what this Standard Touch is going to do is it's going to actually tell us how hard we're pressing. So we've got the pad that sits on the device, and so that's the first step. Oh, yes, Liam. I have my grandchildren over, and they do a little bit of occupational therapy aid training. Being 12 months is not a disadvantage. Let's get into this. I've been watching the YouTube videos where the kids have so much fun, and I'm going to have that much fun too. Okay, we've got the training piece of paper that we can read straight away. Another one of these. I actually ordered a second one because it comes from America. I didn't want to be caught short. Let's have a look in here. Okay, we've got more. Oh, this is a beautiful box. I don't want to ruin this bit. So I think when I spoke to Sarah about a month ago, this is she's about her 7th edition. So they've really refined it. Wow, okay, so how it works. So this is like a set of scales, but I'm sure it's not, is it, Sarah? And so this is the device that goes on the table and is used to test the pressure. And so we check this. Let's undo the whole lot. Oh, it's got wrapped up in plastic. So this bit has been designed so it feels like skin, or like the body, the top of the body. So this goes on the top, and then we have a separate unit that measures the amount of pressure. So this gets hooked up. We need a little plug extension, plug changeover. This gets hooked up. This gets plugged in. Actually, no. There's a battery section here. Let's not do that. Let's just use the batteries. So what happens is we now have a connection between that measuring section and the device. And it looks a bit like a telephone connection. So clip in. Where is it? Here. Liam is 12 months old, and he is just like trying to walk around and be part of this video. Yeah. Oops. So clip in. Now, I'm going to do the rest of this video a little later because I really want to get this set up. So just to let you know, so the idea is that you use your normal pressure that you would use on your patient, and then you get to see what sort of pressure is involved in there. And Then the second part of this is that you can then not look at this and then be able to say, okay, I want light pressure. And you get someone else to test that is that pressure exactly what you think it is without looking at the digital readout. So let's have a look at that a little bit later. So this is the standard touch from Mendology USA, and this is the first one in Australia. So let me introduce you to it. So we've got the touch pad that gives us something that we can press into that feels a bit like the body. And then we've got the device underneath that's measuring the pressure. And then the third part is the digital display of the amount of pressure that we have. So I can then do a treatment like I would use on my patients, and I can actually start looking at, so I just set it on, wait for it to 0, choose kilos or pounds, and then I can then press into this like I would with my treatment and then look at what that is. So I can then look at a different type of treatment that I use and have a look and see how many kilos that is. Now, what Sarah's done is that she's looked at being able to get like a verification for your skills in this, and it's quite interesting. So you go through some exercises, and I'll be doing that next week. And so the other person is checking out how the numbers go while you do the force. So they set the parameter, and you try and match that with your level of force. So this is the standard touch device. I think that it's got huge potential for clinics, but I know for me personally, it will really help me in training other therapists to see what I am actually doing with my hands in terms of numbers, not just by looking and trying to work out what level of pressure I'm doing. So catch up when I do my verification testing.